Can you conquer all 48 African geography questions? It starts easy, but only a genius clears the final round. Which giant African desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Is it A, Kalahari Desert, B, Sahara Desert, or C, Namib Desert? It's B, Sahara Desert. It covers nearly 1/3 of Africa. Which famous African river is known as the longest river in the world? Is it A, Nile River, B, Amazon River, or C, Mississippi River? It's A, Nile River. It flows northward through 11 countries. What is the tallest mountain in Africa, known for its snow-capped peak? Is it A, Mount Everest, B, Mount Fuji, or C, Mount Kilimanjaro? It's C, Mount Kilimanjaro. It is a giant dormant volcano. Which spectacular waterfall is known locally as the smoke that thunders? Is it A, Victoria Falls, B, Niagara Falls, or C, Angel Falls? It's A, Victoria Falls. Its massive mist rises miles high. What is the name of this giant island nation off the southeast coast of Africa? Is it A, Greenland, B, Sri Lanka, or C, Madagascar? It's C, Madagascar. It is the 4th largest island on Earth. Which flat-topped landmark overlooks the city of Cape Town in South Africa? Is it A, Table Mountain, B, Sugarloaf Mountain, or C, Mount Rainier? It's A, Table Mountain. It is often covered by cloud tablecloths. Which of these is the largest tropical lake in the world, located in Africa? Is it A, Lake Michigan, B, Lake Victoria, or C, Lake Baikal? It's B, Lake Victoria. It is shared by 3 countries. Which warm, salty sea separates Northeast Africa from the Arabian Peninsula? Is it A, Black Sea, B, Baltic Sea, or C, Red Sea? It's C, Red Sea. It has very high evaporation rates. Africa is home to the world's 2nd largest rainforest. What is it called? Is it A, Congo rainforest, B, Amazon rainforest, or C, Daintree rainforest? It's A, Congo rainforest. It spans across 6 central nations. Which vast African grassland is famous for the largest land mammal migration on Earth? Is it A, the Outback, B, the Serengeti, or C, the Pampas? It's B, the Serengeti. Millions of animals migrate here annually. What is the name of this famous African tree with a trunk that looks like a giant bottle? Is it A, redwood, B, baobab, or C, eucalyptus? It's B, baobab. It stores water inside its massive trunk. Which shape is formed where the Nile River meets the Mediterranean Sea? Is it A, square, B, triangle, or C, circle? It's B, triangle. This green shape inspired the word delta. What is the name of the massive geological trench that runs thousands of miles down East Africa? Is it A, Great Rift Valley, B, Grand Canyon, or C, San Andreas Fault? It's A, Great Rift Valley. It was formed by splitting tectonic plates. Which large semi-arid sandy savanna covers much of Botswana and parts of Namibia? Is it A, Gobi Desert, B, Atacama Desert, or C, Kalahari Desert? It's C, Kalahari Desert. It features vast red sand dunes. Which unique African wetland is a massive inland delta that empties into a desert? Is it A, Okavango Delta, B, the Everglades, or C, Danube Delta? It's A, Okavango Delta. It evaporates directly into the desert. Which coastal desert is home to some of the tallest sand dunes in the world? Is it A, Sahara Desert, B, Namib Desert, or C, Arabian Desert? It's B, Namib Desert. It is the world's oldest desert. Which mountain range stretches across Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia in North Africa? Is it A, Andes Mountains, B, Alps, or C, Atlas Mountains? It's C, Atlas Mountains. They separate the coast from the Sahara. What is the longest freshwater lake in the world, located in East Africa? Is it A, Lake Tanganyika, B, Lake Superior, or C, Lake Tahoe? It's A, Lake Tanganyika. It stretches 418 miles. Which beautiful waterfall in Ethiopia is known locally as Tis Abai, meaning smoking water? Is it A, Tugela Falls, B, Blue Nile Falls, or C, Victoria Falls? It's B, Blue Nile Falls. They generate massive mist clouds. Located in Namibia, what is the largest canyon in Africa? Is it A, Blyde River Canyon, B, Grand Canyon, or C, Fish River Canyon? It's C, Fish River Canyon. It stretches about 100 miles. Which magnificent extinct stratovolcano is the second highest mountain in Africa? Is it A, Mount Kenya, B, Mount Elgon, or C, Mount Meru? It's A, Mount Kenya. It sits just south of equator. Which African lake is famous for having more fish species than any other lake on Earth? Is it A, Lake Erie, B, Lake Chad, or C, Lake Malawi? It's C, Lake Malawi. It houses hundreds of colorful cichlids. Which major African river flows over Victoria Falls and empties into the Indian Ocean? Is it A, Zambezi River, B, Niger River, or C, Limpopo River? It's A, Zambezi River. It is Africa's fourth longest river. Which active volcano in Ethiopia features a continuously boiling, bright orange lava lake? Is it A, Mount Vesuvius, B, Erta Ale, or C, Mount Etna? It's B, Erta Ale. It has a persistent lava lake. Which national park in Madagascar is famous for its razor-sharp limestone needle formations? Is it A, Tsingy, B, Stone Forest, or C, Zhangjiajie? It's A, Tsingy. It features sharp, eroded limestone cliffs. Which famous lake in Senegal gets its bright pink color from salt-loving algae? Is it A, Lake Tahoe, B, Lake Retba, or C, Lake Como? It's B, Lake Retba. Algae produces a red pigment here. Located in South Africa, which lush green canyon is one of the largest on Earth? Is it A, Kolka Canyon, B, Waimea Canyon, or C, Blyde River Canyon? It's C, Blyde River Canyon. It is uniquely green and lush. Which otherworldly Egyptian national park is famous for massive snow-white chalk rock formations? Is it A, White Desert, B, Black Desert, or C, Painted Desert? It's A, White Desert. It features wind-carved chalk shapes. Which dramatic Ethiopian highlands are famous for sharp, jagged peaks and unique gelada baboons? Is it A, Drakensberg, B. Ruwenzori Mountains, or C. Simeon Mountains? It's C. Simeon Mountains. They feature massive plateau cliffs. Which highly alkaline lake in Tanzania turns bright red and can calcify organic materials? Is it A. Lake Matron, B. Lake Albert, or C. Lake Edward? It's A. Lake Natron. Its water is extremely caustic. Which dangerous active volcano in the Democratic Republic of the Congo has a notorious lava lake? Is it A. Mount Cameroon, B. Mount Nyiragongo, or C. Mount Kilimanjaro? It's B. Mount Nyiragongo. It has erupted several times recently. Which massive natural monolith in Nigeria is featured on the country's 100 Naira banknote? Is it A. Uluru, B. Sugarloaf, or C. Zuma Rock? It's C. Zuma Rock. It rises near Nigeria's capital. What is the highest mountain range in South Africa, known as the Barrier of Spears? Is it A. Drakensberg, B. Atlas Mountains, or C. Ruwenzori Mountains? It's A. Drakensberg. It features sheer rock walls. Which extremely hot hydrothermal field in Ethiopia features yellow and green acid ponds? Is it A. Yellowstone, B. Dalol, or C. Pamukkale? It's B. Dalol. It features toxic boiling salt deposits. What is the scientific name for the giant circular geological landmark in Mauritania known as the Eye of the Sahara? Is it A. Barringer Crater, B. Chicxulub, or C. Richat Structure? It's C. Richat Structure. It is highly visible from space. Which massive salt flat network in Botswana was once one of the largest lakes in Africa? Is it A. Salar de Uyuni, B. Bonneville Flats, or C. Makgadikgadi Pans? It's C. Makgadikgadi Pans. They are dried up ancient lake beds. Which hypersaline crater lake in Djibouti is the lowest point on the entire African landmass? Is it A. Lake Assal, B. Lake Kivu, or C. Lake Edward? It's A. Lake Assal. It sits below sea level. Which active volcano is the highest point in West Africa and is nicknamed Chariot of the Gods? Is it A. Mount Nimba, B. Mount Loma, or C. Mount Cameroon? It's C. Mount Cameroon. It rises from the Gulf. Which snowy African mountain range is historically identified as the legendary Mountains of the Moon? Is it A. Drakensberg, B. Ruwenzori Mountains, or C. Atlas Mountains? It's B. Ruwenzori Mountains. They were linked to Nile sources. Which group of bald granite peaks in Namibia is often called the Matterhorn of Africa? Is it A. Brandberg, B. Spitzkoppe, or C. Zuma Rock? It's B. Spitzkoppe. These granite spires rise dramatically. Which vast sandstone plateau in the Algerian Sahara is famous for thousands of ancient rock art drawings? Is it A. Ahagar, B. Tassili Najer, or C. Tibesti? It's B. Tassili Najer. It holds prehistoric rock paintings. What is the name of the incredibly famous, highly photographed red sand dune in Namibia's Sossusvlei area? Is it A. Dune 45, B. Dune 7, or C. Big Daddy? It's A. Dune 45. It is famous for elegant curves. Which volcanic range in Sudan features the Dariba caldera, a massive volcanic crater with 2 lakes? Is it A, Tibesti Mountains, B, Nuba Mountains, or C, Mara Mountains? It's C, Mara Mountains. It was formed by massive eruptions. Which massive granite island-in-the-sky mountain in Malawi is famous for its sheer cliffs and cedar trees? Is it A, Mount Meru, B, Mount Elgon, or C, Mulanje Massif? It's C, Mulanje Massif. It rises near tea plantations. What geological term refers to isolated, steep-sided hills rising abruptly from a flat plains in Africa? Is it A, Inselberg, B, caldera, or C, fjord? It's A, Inselberg. It means island mountain in German. Which cascading waterfall in South Africa is widely considered the second tallest waterfall in the world? Is it A, Victoria Falls, B, Tugela Falls, or C, Blue Nile Falls? It's B, Tugela Falls. It plunges down the Drakensberg. Which giant salt lake in Tunisia completely dries up in summer and was used as a Star Wars filming location? Is it A, Lake Retba, B, Lake Natron, or C, Chat El Jarid? It's C, Chat El Jarid. It looks like endless white desert. How far below sea level is the lowest point of the hot Danakil Depression in Africa? Is it A, 950 feet, B, 410 feet, or C, 110 feet? It's B, 410 feet. It is extremely low and hot. How many of these incredible landmarks did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.